How this? What? Me? Hot girl want link with me? Yo, Ethan, calm down. Play it cool. Yeah, I go meet up. Come on, Junkers. What time? Yo, 2 o'clock, good, you know? Yeah. Oh my God. Sure, she said yes. Alright. Okay. About time now. Alright, we need to get ready. Yes. I gotta link up with what girl. Yes. Alright. We're ready. Smell good. Hear good. Yeah, man. Ready for that date? Wait. It's not officially a date. Alright, Yaadman is just going to link one of his crushes. It's not Shensia. Don't worry about that. It's not Shensia. Alright, Yaadman is allowed to have more than one crush, right? Alright. One nice, pretty girl. Oh my gosh, she have me weak. Yo, that girl have me weak like 7 days. Alright, so people, we're going to Janga's. Alright? We'll link up with that girl, yeah. Whoa! Alright, yo. Youth. Calm down. Just be cool. Take care of yourself. You'll be alright. You'll be good. Alright? You know.
6 hours later.
Shouldn't reach yet. Alright. Dollar re-interrupted. Who this girl there? I gotta leave here, man. I can't bother with this. 4 hours me there and yo, wait there. Wait. You gone somewhere else for buy food? Me know say a Jangas, me there. Me know say that sign that's a Jangas, not Chilitos. Okay, alright. Cool. Alright.
Oh, you mean it don't subscribe yet? Oh, you mean it don't turn on the notification bell? Oh, you mean it don't like, share and comment? Oh, you mean it don't tell a friend them about Yaadman Etan?
Yaadman, calm down. When I say you vex, you just got stood up. And people them, it is time for a story time. Oh, you mean people them, I don't know, see your favorite Jamaican YouTuber, Yaadman Etan. People them, listen, I know it's been a while since I really uploaded a video and I apologize, okay? Yaadman has just been trying to deal with some stuff. I'm invested in cryptocurrency. I'm trying to learn. I'm trying not to lose my money. Alright? I'm trying to find, like, you know, different ways to make money while supporting my YouTube business. Alright? I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Just take a little while for me to get back into the groove of things, and I am here now. Alright? So people there, me, Valentine's Day has just passed. That means love is still in the air. Right, so I figured, you know, why not tell you guys a story time about one of my romantic failures. People them, this story is about how I got stood up. Alright. Now for the lovely young lady that was involved in the standing up on my heart. Alright, it wasn't that deep. But I will not be calling her name in this video, and for the purpose of confidentiality, you get me, I say, and me no want to stir up no drama with nobody, I am just going to keep her name anonymous. Instead, I'm going to call her Gabby. So, Gabby is one of these hot Instagram girls, alright? And when I say hot Instagram girls, I mean, whoo! Listen to me, like...
What you mean?
Alright, if I think about her too much, I'm probably going to take off my jacket, alright? So I'm not about to be stripping on my YouTube, You know, Valentine's Day just passed. I'm pretty sure you ladies already got enough of that. But point is, so I've had a thing for this girl for a while, right? And it's not even so that I asked her out on a date. I just really wanted to link up with her, like, you know, feel her vibe out and, you know, try to see, you know, if we could, I guess, coexist together in, you know, a similar space. Some Instagram girls are like legendary Pokemon, you know. Only one per game. When it comes to this girl, I just really wanted to make everything right. Set the mood, like, I just wanted to make sure that we were comfortable. I had went to Jamaica. I had quarantined for my 2 weeks because I'm a good Samaritan, I'm a good citizen. And we were planning to link up within my quarantine, right? Like right after my quarantine. During quarantine, we were planning how we were going to link up because every time I went to Jamaica, I always miss her, she or something, right? So this time we're serious. Yeah, we're definitely going to link up. Here's where I went wrong, right? Usually when I link up with woman, I have them number, but for some reason it's like, have I ever asked for her number? I think I gave her my number one time, but she never gave me back her number. So the only way we could communicate is, you know, through Instagram. You see me I say? So during this entire time, I was saying to myself, so when I need to call you directly, or if you're not near Wi-Fi or don't have data, then how is this going to, because how this going to work? It's not like I can call you direct or you can call me direct. Well, you could call me direct because you have my number, but you get me. All I had was Instagram. I got very nervous and I reached out to a couple of friends and I told them, I was like, yo, I'm gonna link this girl named Gabby, where should I take her? Right? So some of the gents were like, yo, girl like that, you can't just take her anywhere, brother. So I was like, between porch and chicken and chips by the side of the road, what kind of vibe are you on? My girl told me that she's down for any vibe. So I was like, all right, well, I can't take her for chicken and chips. And the porch is very uptown and very expensive. So I said, I just need to meet somewhere in the middle. So I said, Janga's Sound Bar in New Kingston. Is it me? I said, we can get drinks, we can get food, whatever. We set the time, ready to go. I am finally going to link this girl. I'm finally going to hang out with this girl, right? By the way, when I said link, I don't mean, no, that's not how Yaadman roll. Not on the first. Oh God! That's not how Yaadman rolls, okay? I was really trying to just get to know this girl. So the day finally arrives when I'm supposed to meet up with Gabby. And if I'm being very honest with you, I was very nervous. But the thing is, part of me, like a good 50% of me, knew that for some reason, I would not see her that day. I felt it in my bones that I was going to get stood up. So because of that, I ended up making plans with another friend of mine and his girlfriend, right? And the three of us ended up meeting later on in the day. But when we did meet up, it started raining before we were supposed to go to Janga's. And we were texting and I was like, yo, I know it raining hard. And she was like, yeah, it raining real hard. I still told her that despite the rain, I would still try. No, I am still going to Janga's because I want to link up with this girl. I want to see her. You get me? But remember, as I said, I don't have her number to text her directly. So I could only be at the mercy of her Instagram DM.
You better you go your bed.
People, you know, gents enough know, if you have to be at the mercy of a hot girl's Instagram DM, you're lucky if she even talking to you, because that DM is jam-packed. A hot girl DM fuller than a KFC line on a Friday evening. But we went to Janga's, but because of the parking lot was full, we ended up going to the bar. It's literally like a 2-minute walk from Janga's. Literally, you come out of Janga's gate, you make the left, you make the right, boom, you're there at the bar, right? So I text her and I was like, yo, went to the bar instead. I felt as if I needed to make a contingency plan in the event that I did get stood up, and I'm glad I did. Because while we were there waiting the entire time, 4 hours passed. I didn't see the girl. I knew it. I knew it, you know. So then I ended up hanging out with my friend and his girlfriend throughout the day. Ended up having like a drink up at his house later on that night. You know, don't worry people, I know this was when I was in Jamaica, don't worry, no one had COVID, don't worry, alright? And I even offered to tell the girl that, hey, I'm going by my friend's house. She even asked for my friend's address, and when she asked my friend's address and I sent her my friend's address, nothing, boom bam, she never showed up again. Right when I tell her that I'm going to my friend's house, this girl tells me,
LOL, me there Chilitos I buy food.
yo, I am at Janga's in New Kingston. You're not that far, minus traffic. But you make plans for see me, but you never tell me say did I cancel. You never tell me nothing. So me say, oh, noted. Watch me with my petty self remember this answer. So at this point, I was just like, I'm over it. I'm done. You know, it's one of those sad realities when it comes to, you know, social media and YouTube and Instagram. And if I'm being honest with you, I was more disappointed than anything else. But where my hurt came from was in my own insecurities. And that is, a lot of times I feel as if that I would be better respected if I had my 100,000 followers on Instagram or 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. People on social media is like Bitcoin. For some reason, no one wants to pay attention to the undervalued, really valuable in-asset Bitcoin, but all of a sudden everybody wants to buy it when it reached $40,000. And that's how it is being a content creator for me. I feel as if a lot of people don't respect me simply because of the number of my following. Would I have gotten stood up if I was in that upper echelon of clout? I don't know. Did I talk to her again? To be honest, for the rest of the trip I was in Jamaica, I just ignored her. I never made any more effort. I made no effort to talk to her again, to be honest. She did try to want to link up with me again, but I turned her down because I was just over it. Between me coming back from Jamaica and no, what happened? Well, remember those pictures I posted up, you know, with Yaadman looking well dapper? Like, show some of the video here.
Enemies close, have me thinking they're friends. I do it.
Yeah, that video, right? So, after I posted up my hot boy, you know, pictures and beer things on Yaadman looking well nice, you get me? I said, she saw it. And she started DMing me, thinking that I was back in Jamaica, saying that she still wants to link up with me. What?
What you mean?
What? What the fuck?
After I posted up those pictures, my girl slid into the DM. We start talking, right? But my energy towards her has gone cold. You know, not to say that I was running the girl, but you know, I still have respect for the girl, you know, but in terms of the Yamed energy that I was having for her before, that gone out the window. You get me? I said it's just I'm just over it because I don't want to be disrespected them with it. You get me? She asked me how long you here for. I'm like, here where? She was thinking that I was still in Jamaica because I tagged Jamaica in those pictures, right? So after I told her that almost a month ago, I said I was hoping to see you today, but you never did come or did hear from you, so I left it alone. So the girl starts saying,
Oh God, that don't make me feel so. It was raining that day, and we had a whole rainy period.
and I said, I know it was the same day you went to Chilitos instead. It's fine, but I just wish you were more straightforward with me. That's what I told her. Is it me? Basically, you know, she said that it wasn't even her. She went with her friend to Chilitos, but whatever. My thing is communication, and I know that this girl doesn't owe me anything. You get me? I said, but it just made me feel as if I just wanted to give up giving that effort. I no longer wanted to give that effort trying to see her. She still claimed that she wants to see me. I don't know about that. If she sees this video, then you know you'll get an idea of how much they feel. And you know, I'm not here mocking the girl, I'm not here disrespecting the girl. I'm just here saying that it's February, Valentine's Day just passed, and some people might be single and so lonely. So, is there anything that I learned? Yes. Not to give too much of my vulnerable energy to women who I don't know that well. And make sure you have your backup plan in the event that your primary plan not come true. Alright, so people, I know Valentine's Day just passed. Some of you guys are in your couples well cuddled up and bare things big up on yourself. Okay, and I know some other of us are, you know, was in bed with Jergens that night. But don't worry, things will get better. Alright, and I don't know, I think, and I'm going to save this video for a reason, I think 2021 is a year that Yaadman get a girlfriend.
That now go happen.
We'll see how well that ages. Alright, people that big up on the damn self. Please make sure that you like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. Thank you guys so very much for watching that video. You can also, oh yeah, click the link in the description below to get your very own Yaadman merchandise. Alright people, then big up on the damn self. We're out.